Get this. I plugged this car in a day ago. Yesterday, I'm just now realizing this unit defaulted out. So for the person that would have charged this car and had to go to work this morning, you're dead in the water. I mean, it's incredible. This electric technology, I mean, you're kidding yourselves, everybody. Yeah, how do I know? I mean, what a joke. I plugged this car in yesterday at this time. And this morning I came in, I think you even saw the thing was totally, dead, not lit up anymore. That means it's been charged. So now it's late to move it back to the front of my house for my wife to drive this weekend. It didn't charge. This whole power charging is crapped out. And this has happened more than once. So anybody out there that goes to bed at night, plugs in their charger to electric car, and you think up the next morning you're going to come up and the car's be fully charged, I'd say it's 50-50. The Electric Revolution. It's got to be a different name. Yeah, so anyways, just wish I would have made this video before I posted my video for the day, because I'd have been, sharing everybody's excitement about, hey, buy an electric vehicle. It's going to be beautiful. Yeah. All right. Oh, it just doesn't end. Who has the love for their vehicles, right? If you just love your vehicles, what do? You wash them and clean them. Yeah, what do you think I can do all night long? Yeah, just start counting around you. I think this is the first bath for the Raptor. I can't believe it, but I just love this truck. This is just such a badass truck. Even though I was really in the 37 package, I'm really happy with the 35 package. And for the fuel mileage, I'm sticking with 35s. And I think it just looks really nice. Oh, it's never ending. But hey, either you love taking care of your cars, or you're just not so much into that, are you? Where's my freaking tags? Where's my freaking new tags? Where just doesn't end, right? Is the Ram next? I'll run out of time. It's already 6:30. But it's beautiful up here. Where's the kid? At the gym. Yep. Oh, the projects. It's pretty incredible. I haven't got any mud flaps since. I usually do that. I don't know. I mean, I should do it, but these big plastic fender things are so big. But you can see, it's already got like the spot to put them in. It wouldn't be that hard. I don't even get word of that. I think there's a little bit more of a beefy look to it, but I don't know. It's always projects, right? And like the Ram, to put mud guards on that. I got mixed feelings on that. Up here, the problem with my water is it's so hard. If I don't get all this water off this vehicle, it literally etches the windows and the paint. It's so bad. All right, did I get that? And so the trick is, don't get that wet while you're doing this. If you get that wet, it etches it. Yes. Wow, there's one thing for sure about black trucks. When you clean them up, they just look so good, or what? I mean, I think the black, I've had a lot of black trucks in my years, but and then I just kind of steer away from them. But boy, when you clean them up, I think they look so good. So just got the Raptor cleaned up. It's close to 7. Do we do the Rammy boy? The Rammy boy, let's check it out, right? So funny, the Ram takes longer to start. Not bad in that one, but in the cold morning, it takes time. The birds are crapping over my nice white truck. It's just so ridiculous, but the wheels are trash. There's my kid, look. Gee, thanks, right? Yeah, so let's give these white hides the dirt. It really does. I mean, white vehicles, it's dangerous because they just don't show off the dirt. I think I'm going to give her a little cleaning up. Make her look pretty good. Get the wheels and tires shined up, Yeah, and that Raptor, that's just one of my favorite trucks. I mean, if that damn thing could tow as much as this thing could tow, one thing was sure, that would never go away. Yeah, famous last words, right? There's the dump material, that'll stink up your freaking car because it's just all the crap. You're walking through crap. Yeah, over there, I'm definitely cleaning this thing up. One thing I learned years ago, you buy used cars, like I bought a lot of those, right? But when you do buy used cars, when you clean them for the first time, all of a sudden it's like, hey, what about that scratch I see up here? See, that I didn't really notice that when I bought it. It's not a big deal. It's just a nice touch up with white paint. I mean, I haven't even cleaned the whole truck yet. This will be the first time I've actually washed the truck, but I can guarantee as I go along, be like, oh, look at that imperfection, that imperfection. That Spray 9 stuff is so awesome. Everybody out there that is cleaning their vehicles, the Spray 9 is like the best stuff you can get. It ain't cheap, but just go to Amazon and buy it, and you get it in gallon jugs, and it's a lot cheaper than going to the store. A lot of stores don't have it. What are y'all doing? What's going on, dudes? Yeah, leave me alone. All right, back to the routine. Yeah, when you start cleaning this truck, it's incredible how much dirt is coming off this sponge. So it's so easy. You know, maybe here you can see it a little bit. So I don't know if you can really see it but I mean, this truck's dirtier than you think it is. And that's why white cars are the worst. I guarantee you, detailers will tell you, oh yeah, people bring white cars to us and like, oh, the paint's not too bad on it, and it's just literally trashed. Yeah, so I mean, as I clean this right here, I mean, yeah, it's definitely really dirty. I'm glad I'm doing this. You know, I just have cleaned cars my whole life, and I've talked about this in my videos before. I should have been in the car wash business. I just can't believe it. You know, I did. I tried to buy some, but you know what now? Those are such conglomerates. It's, you know, I mean, it has gotten so competitive that just the big guys are eating up all the little guys. Yeah, I mean, it's getting big. Investors are buying into these car washes left and right. All right, back to work in the truck. The evening edition of the Car Wash Adventures. That's pretty cool. Now, this is my Spray 9 and my clear bottle, but man, you take this stuff and just don't let it set up too long. But you see all this dirt in this truck right here? If you spray it on there when it's set up, it just literally, you know, it just washes right off. I mean, it comes right off, so it's so cool. I can do the wheels. I'm not worried about the wheels getting harmed. You know, I wouldn't be out in the direct sun with this stuff. You know, I do the step boards. I'll do the interior mud, you know, rubber floor mats, if you know what I mean. So you just spray it in and just watch for a minute after it sets up a second, you know. So spray the wheels, get up under fender well, see all that dirt. But I mean, it just picks it up and like it makes it separate from the surface, you know. I love these wheels. This truck is so cool. I like the guy that I'd be interested to know who did this truck. I think he did pretty good. Everybody has their own little quirks in life. Yeah, what's mine? So now you just watch me spray all that. So now I'll do the wheel, I'll do the tires. You know, so I'll wipe down the tires first. All right, now, see what should happen here. Once you see that dirt and all, look at that. I mean, it just comes right off. It's so cool. I did the tires. Tires now to look at all that brake dust and all up there. So just a really good product. Hips and I'll show you a picture of it just in case. You know, it isn't a common product everywhere. The Spray 9's been around forever, and I've used a lot of it. And I've gone back and forth. So here it's already kind of, look at that. It just knocks all the stuff right off. It's so cool, man. Look at that. And it just gets all the dirt and grime out. I was up there in that nasty dump today. You know, look at all that. Look at all the brake. Look at all the contamination. Yeah, where's that all going, right? Yeah. Incredible. So there's the dogs going nuts across the way. Neighbors' dogs have trained my dogs to come see them. So you know, literally, your dogs. My dogs stay on my property, but then their dogs literally, you know, have a certain bark that is like, come on over, let's go at it. I don't know how they don't go kind of nutty with that stuff. And I know if it's in my backyard, my dogs are like over near my house, and other dogs are coming up to it and just doing that, I go nuts. So how do you resolve that? Who's at fault, right? Some people say, well, you should put the electronics and electrocute them when they get so far off your property. You won't go that far over. Well, for the record, I fence my whole property. Everybody else has dogs. Did anybody else fence their property? No. Nope. Yeah, I did. So, yeah, my fence runs up to their property. Right. No bleeding hearts here on that one. All right, pretty cool, right? Cleaning the Ram 3500 first bath. All right, we're making headway here. Not doing too bad in time either. You just got to do the tires now. It's kind of hard to see at nighttime, you know. But the truck definitely needs a wax job. That's for sure. And the top of the roof, you can see it didn't really stay on top of it. A lot of black in that top roof. But otherwise, looking good. And do some tire shine and see how she looks. So yeah, I did the rubber mats here. They're all nice and cleaned up now. You know what you do when you get in these landfills. I'm telling you right now, if you get that crap in your car, you better get it out. Your truck will sound like that nasty ass landfill. How do I know? Right? Oh, the detail. The detail man, right? All about the details? Is that what it's all about? It's so funny. I have so many different damn vehicles. I can't keep track of what's what on the frickin' Especially this doesn't have lighting down below. Oh well. Alright. Let's back her back up and do some tire shots. This is so strange. Look at that noise. Look at my light. That's pretty cool. It's a light I got at Sam's Club. So you can kind of see how you're working at nighttime. Look at that exhaust. Sounds like a freaking jet engine. What's that all about? That makes no sense. Did you get water in or something? You know what I mean? You put this tire shine on. It's pretty cool, but crashes the wheels. What do you think that noise is? That's really strange. Listen to that. Weird. Is my turbo going bad in my Ram? I mean, I do have warranty on this thing, so not like I can't get it covered. But what the hell is that all about, right? This light just gives you so much more. You know, you can see where you miss when you work at nighttime. You know. So how about that there, huh? That's weird. I've never heard that noise before. All right, hope everybody enjoyed my little evening edition of Clean the Cars, you know, and tell you what I learned years ago, either you love doing this stuff or you don't. You know, for all the cars I've owned all my years, wow. Hey, the kid's back. She's loading up the fire pit here, and it's pretty neat. We got our fire pit going. Isn't that nice? We love that. Yeah. Yeah. Isn't that nice?
What I did at the gym?
You sure can. In a second, let's see here. That's nice, isn't it?
About to clean the Masters?
Oh no, I'm done. I've already just cleaned 2 trucks. Okay. And then I cleaned the Ram, and they're all looking pretty good.
The Ram looks so good.
That looks pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, so anyways, hope everybody's enjoying the little car wash edition evening on Friday evening.
Really good.
What am I doing? I'm taking care of my babies. Right? Yeah, pretty cool. I don't know what that funky noise was with the truck.
What do you mean?
Just a funky noise. I don't know.
Where though?
Out of the exhaust.
Really?
Yeah, and the dog's been barking and playing with the next door neighbors all night long. Oh, drive you nuts. All right, everybody. This evening's YouTube channel. Just a little fun time and just all about cleaning cars. And I'd be curious to know how many people clean their cars or they take it to the car wash.
I clean my car.
I know you do. It's a passion. The passion for the vehicles, right? Ice Age. All right, everybody. Have a blessed evening.